So I'm going to get my bias straight out of this way. I have never been a Marc Marquez fan. I will fully concede at some point in his career he was probably one of the best racers on the grid. Obviously with the championships and the wins, there's no doubting the fact that he was fast at one point. And he's still fast. But things like this year, that crash right there and the first crash of the season where he ran into Oliveira and took him out of a couple races, and this one right here, which could have been absolutely ridiculously horrible. The fact that if Zarco had been 1 or 2 feet forward instead of the front of the bike, that's his leg, and that thing is absolutely shattered. And in the comments below, I want to hear your opinion on this, because what I'm thinking is this year he's a liability. He's pushing way too hard for a bike that does not have the competitive edge that the Ducatis or the Aprilias do at the moment. And he is pushing, you have to push the limit. But when you're doing this to people, and this is just practice, and the worst part about it is after this, he fully put the incident on Johan Zarco's, his fault. He's saying, quote, but this time I'm angry because if somebody could avoid the situation, it's Johan. I mean, the guy that is out of the pit lane is the guy that needs to watch behind, and if somebody's coming, especially in the last minutes, you need to stop in the pit exit. It's no meaning used to stay out of the line. Okay? He is out of the line. He's fully out of the way. He's not, pulling out in front of Marquez and slowing him down on a fast lap. He's not going slowly down on the racing line or on an apex or anything. He's on the edge of the track, coming out of the pit lane at, rolling speed, basically. And I'm pretty sure these bikes just do not stop. You don't just sit there and get the I'm just going to stop, put them in first gear and roll away. They're not that easy. And the fact that Marquez is fully blaming this guy for missing a corner. I mean, there is no way in hell that Marquez was ever going to make this corner anywhere close to it, obviously, from the fact that he laid it down and crashed and then absolutely obliterated that bike. I mean, these things are built pretty well. And to see the front end of that absolutely separated is insane. I mean, to me, it's just he's pushing way too hard. He's becoming, dangerous to the fact that everyone else around him is, sure, whatever. And then he does this, crashes into Zarco, absolutely, right there, absolutely obliterates it. And the first thing he does isn't get up and say, oh my God, what did I just do? And go check on him. No, he looks over and then runs back to the side of the track to get on the scooter so he could go back to the pit and get on his second bike. But to me, it's insane. But in the comments below, you tell me, what do you think of this? Are you a Marquez fan? What do you think of GP this year at all? Whatever it is you want to do, comment it down below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.